Welcome back, everyone. Well, don't look at my nose. I had a fight with a RV baggage store and I lost. I have this microphone system. I think I tested it a little over a year ago and it was okay. But it is really not okay, not even for YouTube anymore. In my opinion, that's all my opinion. That's nothing against the manufacturer. I can't use this anymore. It has to go in the electronic recycling. So here's the new system I bought. This is a transmitter. The receiver is mounted on a cold shoe on the camera. It is really easy to operate. It pairs right away. You gotta pair this one. It has a little tiny hole on the receiver to pair it. It's all in the instruction. It works perfect. I don't know if I get the same 6-hour working time out of it like from that old UHF one, but the distance is about the same, at least on the specification. And I never be more than 50 feet away from the camera anyhow. Today we will test the distance, how far we can get away from the receiver. We will see how long the battery will last. We will test also a couple of other microphones on it and see how these cheap mics work on this wireless microphone system. I destroy microphones pretty quickly, so yeah, I know I shouldn't handle technology. So I picked up 2 microphones, about 10 bucks each. I didn't really pay attention to quality or anything like this. I just need microphones, and because I break a lot of stuff, it has to be inexpensive. This one called Pop Voice, the same manufacturer of the wireless microphone systems I'm getting rid of. In the package, just the normal stuff, just the microphone, some instructions, a couple of adapters, and that's it. Nothing special here. The next one here is called Slint. Same thing, instructions, the microphone, and some accessories like an adapter, and I think there is for an iPhone an adapter even in here. Let me see, yep, there's the iPhone adapter. Like I said, I just randomly picked 2 microphones in the $10 range and didn't pay attention to anything else. Now that we have this, let's go out and start our range testing, and afterwards we hook up these 2 microphones and see if they work. First of all, I do not endorse any of these products, and I'm not slamming any manufacturer. It is what it is. I just tell it how I feel about it and what I experience with it. So I'm right now about 10-12 feet away from the camera. I think we still have a connection. I will not know when I lose the connection, so we will figure that out. I'm turned around now. I don't know if it still works, because the other UHF microphone I had, as soon as I turned around and was not pointing towards the receiver, I lost connection. I'm now 25 feet away from the camera. I think it should still work. Not sure, but we will see. So let's go, and I go to the 50 feet mark. According to the specification, it should go out to 160 feet. I doubt it. I have a lot of outside security cameras and they maybe interfere. It's all wireless stuff around my house, so let's just move on. Okay, so I'm around 50 feet away from the camera. You can stretch it out. It don't have to be exactly. I don't know if it still has connection. I'm gonna turn away now. I turned around from the camera, from the receiver, Don't know if you still can hear me. I will see it when I edit the video. So I'm 75 feet out, facing the camera. Not sure. Well, maybe I gotta move a little bit over. Hope you can still see me. Not sure if it works. If I have connection, like I said, I will figure it out. Okay, so I'm 100 feet away. What's about 33 meters for all my friends in Europe and Canada. I'm facing the camera, and as before, I don't know if I still have contact. I will turn around again. They're away from the camera. I probably lose connection. I guess I would lose connection. So let's move to 125 feet, right? So we are 125 feet away. Still testing this wireless microphone system. I don't name the manufacturer directly. You can see it when I show it to the camera. I want to take a second, just thank you to all the new subscribers. It really makes a difference. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. I know it's only a real small YouTube channel. It helps that channel grow. We will see in the editing if the transmitter still works that far out. We are at 150 feet now. I don't know if you still can hear me. I turned the transmitter away from the receiver, and we'll see if I lost the signal somewhere between it. So that's it. That's how far I go. I don't know if it still transmits any sound. I'm back here, the guy with the red shirt, the old guy, and I don't even think it makes sense for me to turn around. I really don't expect that it's still working. I'm gonna turn around. I'm pointing now the transmitter away from the receiver. That's it. I'm coming back now. I know we wanted to test the two cheap microphones on this transmitter, but I think we are almost out of time. I think we leave this for the next week. That's it for today. I did the whole video without an accident. I thought maybe I lose my ears this time. Please do me a favor. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much. Have a great week.